Hi, Kevin Murphy here. I'm going to introduce you to the Classics. The Classics are a series of looks using traditional setting techniques to create a modern form. Step 1, prime the hair. We prime the hair with Young Again Wash and Rinse. We prime the hair because we want to even out the porosity and to create an even surface for maximum shine. Step 2, prep the hair with Bodybuilder because the molding resins in Bodybuilder allow us longevity of the style and really allow you to work the hair. Now I'm going to use a medium-sized curling iron and then pad with a towel comb as I go. The set is a full C section with the sides wound forward to create the flare. So here's the final setting pattern. It's a C section at the front, forward at the sides, and then down at the back. So once cooled, beginning at the back comb the roots, and then back brush the ends using your smoothing brush. So back comb the roots, and back comb the ends and the mid-lengths using your smoothing brush. Moving up and forward. Okay, so you want to begin at the top and use your towel comb and the palms of your hand to mold the hair into shape. And use your pin clips to mold the hair as you go. I like to work from side to side. And you want to just work on the outer surface of the hair. Beginning at the top and work your way down. And then work down the head, whip that towel off, and then comb the outer surface of the hair until the outer surface is smooth to bring the shape in to get a sleeker look. You want to take a little bit of session spray and smooth the hair in using your palms, bringing the shape in all the time. And smooth out the flyaways using your palms. Then remove the clips. And finish with shimmer shine on the outer surface of the hair. And there is your first classic look.